In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word, PC, and Mac. Wrapping text around a circle is a fantastic way to create visually engaging documents, whether you're designing invitations, flyers, or creative reports. This technique allows your text to flow naturally around a circular shape, giving your content a professional and polished look. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to wrap text perfectly around a circle in both Microsoft Word for PC and Mac. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. At the top of the screen, click on Insert. From the Insert menu, select Shapes, and then expand the options to find Oval. Word doesn't offer a direct circle shape, so the oval is what we use. Hold down the Shift key while drawing your oval to create a perfect circle. You can resize and move it to fit wherever you want on your page. Next, we're going to add your text. Click on Insert Word Art at the top of the screen, then choose any font style you like. Once the word art is inserted, type in your text. You'll see the word art box appear over your circle. At this point, you want to make your text follow a circular path. With the word art selected, go to Text Effects in the top menu, then choose Transform. In the Transform menu, you'll find options for text shapes, including the circular wrap. Click on the circle option and your text will immediately curve around your oval. You can adjust the size, spacing, and rotation to make sure your text aligns perfectly around your circle. After adjusting the text, we need to group it with the circle so they move together. Go to the Layout tab at the top and open the Selection pane. On the right, select the text box with your word art, then hold the Control key and select the oval as well. With both selected, click on Group at the top of the screen. Now your text and circle are grouped and will move together as a single object. And that's it. You've successfully wrapped text around a circle in Microsoft Word. You can now move it around, resize it, or add additional formatting to suit your document's design. This technique works on both PC and Mac, and it's a simple way to add a creative touch to your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.